Hello everyone, in this video I will give some information about display technologies in mobiles, tablets and laptops etc. Many of us don't know clearly which type of display technology is good and what screen resolution we should choose before buying a smartphone or tablet in our budget. Because screen quality is very important while you are gaming or browsing internet or watching media etc. Let's get into this video. Mostly we see three types of display technologies in the market, that is LCD displays, AMOLED displays and OLED displays. I will discuss about OLED later part of this video. Now let's know about LCD and AMOLED. Both these are very good display technologies. Let's see the difference between them. In a AMOLED display, each pixel emits its own light, while in an LCD, the light is sourced from a backlight. In other words, AMOLED display put up more vibrant colors and hit high bars in saturation, while an AMOLED display has a much larger color gamut. According to the LCD displays will pop cleaner whites. IPS LCD screens have good viewing angles and are better for outdoor use compared to AMOLED displays. However, none of them are necessarily better for your eyes. In other words, both can be equally dangerous for your eyes. AMOLEDs are rich in showing blacks and LCDs are good to show cleaner whites. These type of technologies are seen in mid-range and flagship devices. Now coming to OLED panels, OLED offer better image quality, thick blacker blacks and brighter whites, reducing power consumption and faster response time. This is expensive technology that we can see mostly in flagship devices and it's made by LG. The main reason that OLEDs are so expensive is that OLED is a young technology and manufacturing OLED is difficult. This is especially true of OLED panels large enough to be used in consumer TVs, which only LG Display currently makes. That's why OLED is so expensive. Many of you have doubt that which display technology good for eyes. Let me say one thing. Eye straining depends upon brightness more than technology used. LCD, AMOLED, Super AMOLED, OLED, TFT is the old panels are good and do their job. If you want to reduce eye strain, you should activate blue filter. But comparing to above display technologies, LCD affects more in night time than AMOLED and OLED. And one of my friend asked me which is better, Full HD or AMOLED. Full HD Plus means the screen has a resolution of 1080 pixels. HD means 720 pixels, whereas Super AMOLED is a technology in which the pixels turn off when there is a black spot, make the dynamic range of the screen better. But IPS LCD, where the black is shown as a color. When you are buying a smartphone, choose at least 1080p screen basic, whatever technology it is, but resolution should be minimum 1080p. Let me explain about refresh rate also, because nowadays every manufacturer are including that by saying 60Hz display, 90Hz display and 120Hz display. First, let's know what is refresh rate. Refresh rate is the number of times your screen updates with new images each second. For example, a 60Hz refresh rate means the display updates 60 times per second. A higher refresh rate result in a smoother picture. Before, everyone is set with default 60Hz. Recently, all offering 90Hz and 120Hz displays for smooth and better experience. It helps mainly in scrolling, including browsing and gaming. And we have touch sample rate also. Take an example of smartphone that has 60Hz touch sampling rate. What it means is that it will took for your touch input only 60 times in 1 second. If a smartphone has 120Hz touch sample rate, it will look your touch input 120 times in 1 second. Touch sample rate is nothing but smooth and fast response. Don't think that 120Hz touch sample works only in 120Hz display or for 120, 120, 90 is needed. 120Hz touch sample works even in 60Hz refresh rate display also. Best example is last year iPhones 10s, 10s Max and 10R. They have 60Hz refresh rate display with 120Hz touch sample rate. That's it. Hope you find some information in this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.